What is going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here. I apologize for the sound if you're hearing me like a lot of echo. It's because I'm not using the microphone right now. I'm just using the microphone from my laptop since I'm actually moving out. So I've been packing pretty much everything. So I just wanted to do this quick video today. Markets kept crashing. You know why? All right, a lot of fears still out there, panic. With the this potential war. Hopefully nothing is going to happen. I don't wish for this to happen. A lot of people could be affected, and I don't like that, but it is definitely affecting. So I've been sending analysis even to the free group on Telegram. If you want to join, just you can find the link below in the description, right there. And so pretty much a lot of things, crazy news, and the market is bearish as hell. Like it still continue to the downside. Okay, so we have a big downtrend. You can see all the way down here. The market has been creating bearish flags. Okay, big bearish formations, bearish flags. So you gotta push, pull back, big push here, big pullback, creating that reversal. I'm sorry, that bearish flag formation right there, and then breaking to the downside, reaching previous lows, then pulling back again. Right here today, we caught this one. We caught actually the same movement. Pretty much, it was repeated on Nasdaq, US 30, and S&P 500. Like if I go on Nasdaq, you see same movement right there, and S&P 500 same exact movement. All right, so everything was showing exactly the same. It was actually showing two scenarios. Like you can see right here, the two scenarios. The market was pushing back up here, really nice push, momentum to the upside, but then it started to come back down. Okay, in a shape of a bullish flag. So right here, I did send this analysis to the actual BIP, I believe. Let me just scroll back here. Yeah, send actually a few analysis here to the VIP. Let me see if this was S&P 500. But you see, it was forming that little bullish flag too. So, expecting whenever I send something like this, I was expecting actually the price to maybe start pushing up. But no, still, there was still some news today regarding the, Ukraine, Russia, fear, panic right now regarding the war. So the market started crashing again. So it did break this channel. Boom, enter on the breakout, stop above the zone, TP 122. And the market did actually end up going the direction we wanted. Okay. Right there, nice sell. This was basically US 30, S&P 500 doing the same. It was the flag right there to the upside. So two scenarios. Okay, you always have to be prepared for multiple things. Okay, and either the price could push up based on news. So you enter on the breakout of this channel, which was right here, was somewhere around here. So yeah, it was something like that. So you got that bullish flag inside of a bearish flag. So I tell my students all the time that what decision are you going to make and when are you going to make the decision? That's why it's important to wait for the breakout. Here, the entry was whatever direction is going to break out. Is it going to break to the downside? Whatever breaks first. So this was the first thing happening. The first breakout was to the downside, then follow to the downside. If the breakout happened right here to the upside, then follow to the upside. Okay, it's very simple. Right now, of course, because everything that's happening right now with these fears and because of the war, of course, what could potentially happen is the market will continue crashing. So right here, the possibilities for the market to actually continue pushing up were very low. Possibilities very low to actually continue pushing. So it was definitely reflected on US 30, S&P 500, and Nasdaq. So what could happen next week? Okay, what's going to happen? It will all depend, guys. There is no technical analysis right now, unless it's bearish, but no technical analysis that could potentially, or how can I say, it's all based on fundamentals right now. The market is depending on fundamentals, news. So basically, it doesn't matter right now what setup you have. You could have a really nice bullish flag formation, but because you know that there still this fears, regarding the war, you know that's a negative thing, and you gotta keep watching, CNBC. You gotta keep watching the news because this is something that is affecting worldwide. If this war actually happens, this thing is gonna crash even further away, like never before. Like, do you remember this crash right here? This is coronavirus exploding. Right now, this entire drop is almost replicating the size of the drop. So for how many pips from that top to the down? Pretty much. Where is it? 3,102 pips. Now let's see from here, from the top to the bottom. You see, 2,951. So almost there. Almost this drop right now, this crash is almost replicating the first explosion of coronavirus. So this is as bad as coronavirus exploding. So this is a massive, massive drop. And I think this could get worse. This could definitely get very low right here. Very, very, like, very, very possible. Right now, the market is not creating higher lows. The market tried to push up right here with this pin bar, but then again, you have the news. Everything is affecting right now. Now you have a pin bar on the top right here. So hey, that's telling you that the market could potentially be going down very strong. I'm saying this, guys, and remember, the only thing that could actually change the direction of the market right now is Putin, the president. Like, if the president of Russia says, all right, we're not going into war, and they retrieve their troops back, like all of them, then this is going to start pushing up. Other than that, this thing is going to continue crashing. Right now, we're depending on news. We're based on fundamentals, and this is going to continue crashing. Okay? Now, let's say what's going to happen next week. So we can just follow, At this point, we can just follow. Try to spot setups for sales to the downside. So, like, probabilities are that this thing will continue just crashing. Gold, and on the other hand, gold has been showing that gold is actually good during war. Like, Jesus. Look at that, how it skyrocketed. Basically, with the news, it's been pretty much pushing up since the news of the war. So you can say that gold is actually doing pretty good in war conditions. So it's kind of crazy, but I guess that's how it is, It's gaining more value right now. So right here, it's reaching a very important zone. It's a very strong resistance right here. So let's see what type of reaction it's going to have in that area. Let's see. I draw this on a 15-minute. So it's a little trend that was broken now. It is just consolidating right now. Yeah, no, there's nothing right here. I'm not seeing anything interesting rather than just a consolidation. This was an area, but there's no longer an area right there. You could say maybe this entire zone. So it's in a consolidation phase right now. Let's see, 30 minutes, 1 hour. Yeah, it's just not doing anything. Maybe some type of correction. It should be correcting. Like, gold is very expensive right now. It's very overbought. And where's my RSI here? Let's see, 4 hour, daily. Yeah, on the daily, look at that. It's very overbought. We're 69, 70, 70% on the RSI. So it's very expensive. So you see, when the price gets very expensive, it tends to crash. So very expensive right here in this area, tends to crash. So right now we could have some type of consolidation maybe in this zone and then pulling back. Or who knows, maybe just we'll do just a little pullback and then correction and then continue pushing up. It all depends. Bitcoin also, look at this. Everybody was, oh my God, was just going nuts on Bitcoin. Like, this is it. It's going to start pushing up again. So let's see. Like, it's definitely, there was a downtrend. The momentum started breaking to the upside. But then again, this is the news for the war right now. It's affecting also cryptocurrencies. So it's pulling back right now. Let's see if the 4K, if the 40K support right here will actually be able to hold the price, and then we'll start actually pushing up. If not, this thing could just continue crashing. But that 40,000, it's a nice strong support, which I believe it should hold. Anyways, let's see what's going to happen there. And regarding Nasdaq, US 30, S&P 500, as I mentioned, guys, we are depending on news. Okay, there is no technical analysis right now that could give you, a higher rate or higher percentage of probabilities right now, since we're pretty much depending on news. So keep an eye on the news. I recommend you CNBC app or investing.com. Investing.com is also really good. So keep an eye on those. And if you're interested, you can just follow me on my Telegram, on my free group right there. If you're also interested on the mentorship and the course and the VIP signal group for life that I'm actually offering is a bundle. You can find it on my website, teamprofitsenglish.com. You can find also the information on the description below. So if you're interested, just reach out to me directly from the website, or you can reach out to me on my Telegram. Alrighty? Again, guys, be prepared, okay? It's better to be prepared right now for anything that's going to be happening. So, with that being said, thanks again, guys, for watching. If you're new on the channel, please subscribe. If you are, please give it a big thumbs up. If you actually like this type of content, it motivates me to keep recording and posting videos very often. So for you guys to to help them out, to help you out. So again, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy.